ये कौन है?
ये भी है कोई।
This is like a junk.
ये क्रिसमस के मौके पे लॉन्ग बीच का इलाका है जो कि सजा है।
It's okay. It's what your body feels. Here, let's go. Let's see what it is. This is Tennessee whiskey.
I saw her last night.
Really?
Yeah, she already cheesecake.
तो मुझे बिलीव लगा।
We had a crush on each other, but I thought we